friends, welcome to Talkwithshivi channel. Today we are presenting 10 lines on boat. Let's start the lines. Boat is a type of water transport. It is smaller than a ship. People used the boat to ride on the lake and ponds. They are designed to float on water. A boat is made of wood and plastic. They comes in different shapes and sizes. Boats can be used for travel, sports and load. It is also used for fishing. Boats are also used for rescue operations. It is a cheap mode of transportation. Boats are the main mode of transport in the many parts of the world. So friends, these are 10 lines on boat. I hope these are helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.